Auramarine is a leading provider of pioneering fuel systems and services for the marine industry and power plants all over the world. We are a reliable partner and stand by our customer throughout the entire life cycle of our products. Auramarine started as a metal workshop in Turku, Finland in 1974. The first products were cargo handling equipment and customers were mainly Finnish shipyards. Today we have offices in Turku and also in Shanghai, China, both among the world's most important maritime technology hubs. In the last 50 years, Auramarine has launched several innovations and value-added solutions that help customers meet their targets. We support our customers to meet the ambitious decarbonization targets by continuing to drive the adoption of sustainable fuels. Digitalization and connectivity of the equipment will benefit our customers by offering remote diagnostics, proactive maintenance, and spares planning. Our mission is to accelerate the green transition by enabling the use of new green fuels. At Auramarine, we see that the future is multi-fuel.